Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of versatile cooking with the Mueller 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven, a true kitchen multitasker that enhances every meal, from a hearty pot roast to gourmet mac and cheese. This premium quality Dutch oven boasts heirloom durability, distributing heat evenly and keeping your meals warmer for longer, while its tight-fitting lid seals in moisture for succulent results. With its sleek design, wide sturdy handles, and a stainless steel knob, this Dutch oven is as stylish as it is functional, featuring a high-gloss enamel finish that resists rust and develops a natural non-stick interior over time. Perfect for all cooktops, including induction, oven, and broil, this is the only cooking pot you'll ever need for frying, sautéing, searing, slow cooking, and more. Plus, it's easy to clean, dishwasher safe but deserving of a gentle hand wash to maintain its superior quality. At Mueller, we're committed to providing you with the best products, and our 24/7 live telephone customer support is always ready to assist you with anything you need. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.